We need to fix this bird's wing immediately or else she's never going to fly again. This bald eagle came into my clinic. Just when we opened up the container and just saw the majesty of America's national bird, it was quite an honor. I had never treated a bird this size before. She had been accidentally shot by some duck hunters. Her crashing to the ground pushed the bone through the skin. I was her only hope at the time, so we went ahead and sedated her and started surgery.
Wakey, wakey, dude, you did well.
The bald eagle ended up doing very, very well after anesthesia, woke up very, very quickly, and headed off to the rehab facility for the next 6 weeks. And that's when the fun began. She's an apex predator, and she was not interested in being in a cage. They named her Wolf because of her aggressive nature.
It's kind of crazy right now, but, you know, I guess pretty average for a day.
I think she was so excited to get back out in the wild. We did a few test flights. I got the call that she was ready to be released. It was a cold, wintry day, and we took her out onto the frozen Niagara River. Right before letting her loose, I decided to give one last little exam on her.
Okay, so. Oh, did she get ya? Oh, like I
deserved it. I deserved it.
Yeah, it's like I remember you.
With a few flaps, she was up in the high blue yonder, soaring around, and there was almost a tear to my eye. It was a pretty magical moment. I'll never forget her.